Hey guys, this is Lone Gacha World Official here with a quick tutorial video. This tutorial is on a little bit of FNAF Engine. Just teaching you how to mainly do stuff in FNAF Engine. First thing, if you want to do some sort of FNAF Engine product, I can't really share how to get this legally anymore. Well, it's not really legally, but how to get this anymore. But there is re-download links, which I think are okay. That's what I got this one from. You can see data, projects. That's one of my projects. Templates, required empty menus, animations. Now you click new. The project name we're gonna do 5 nights at Nightmares. FNAF. Pre-made assets instead of menus. I say pre-made menus. I just do that just in case. Now I say best way to get animations. You can just create a animation name. I'm just gonna create camera. I'll have the link for this, a little download folder in the description, maybe, I don't know. But generate from folder. And it's called Moni Annie. Stands for monitor animation. Now you can play it. You got your little terminal. There we go. We can add an animation. We can call it mask. Now when you make mask, I don't think it's gonna work properly, but basically I'm just gonna have to generate from folder. Masky, I don't know why I named it that. But play. You can see it doesn't fit screen, but it might, which I'm gonna test. You can test by playing. Most likely won't run because it doesn't have a game idea or game title. Game title basically tells it what the hell, like, it's named, and then game idea is like FNAN or FNAF, the full game title. So don't put FNAF in a game title. Game idea was not found. Game title 5 nights at 5 nights at Nightmares. Don't click full screen ever. I say you won't want to do that yet. FNAF. Now this should be working. No, just jump in and just test it. Sorry if my thing's going a little slow. It's because, oh, there we go. Warning, game contains flashing lights. New game. Now it's gonna go through nothing that doesn't exist. Animation. See, you need to add the animations first. So like, but we just added them, right? No, you have to click animations down here. You see, we have them, but we need to make sure they understand office. Camera up. Mask on off. It's gonna be mask. Power out. We don't have one. Enable mask. And play. Now as this plays, it should ignore, and it should work. FNAF is actually gonna come out. I don't know why. I want to make this come out, but night 1, you'll see it'll be a green screen. Or just plain black. You see, the reason why this is not working is for multiple reasons. It's not responding. There's multiple reasons why. Cancel. We can't. The reason is you need to add a freaking menu, yes, you can see all your menus here. But cameras, not even one on camera stage. Now this doesn't matter, you just want to add one button, and said button could be found anywhere. I say import, and I do have a OK button. It's just a cam 1. It's just a cam 1 button. I'll probably use it for every cam though. Let me just get rid of the cam number. Downloads. This is it. Now, you might not see it because it's not there yet. Import again. Sometimes this does happen. I'm gonna click it, go OK. Let's see. OK on button. Let's do this, and there we go. We can play now. Everything should work as in kinda intended. Unless Mass likes to act up again. Which, I wouldn't say it's that annoying. Well, it's kind of very annoying, but see? Masses works a little pixelated, but it works. Now, this works. Got cam 1, didn't do crap. And it's basically it for the first kind of tutorial. It was how to put up a monitor and camera. Like a monitor, a camera, and mask. How to get your project started. So, in the next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to do other things like creating little options, which FNAF doesn't normally have. Which, that's all for now, so bye!